Hello, my name is Victor from the Magic Bookifier. We help streamline the writing process so you can get to your first draft faster. I'm going to show you how to use one of our new tools, the Longform Writer. It's actually pretty simple. Navigate to magicbookifier.ai, and once you log in, you'll come to the Create screen on your dashboard. If you're not seeing the Longform Book Writer at the top, click on the icon of this book, and then you will be taken to the Longform Book Writer. Alternately, you can also use a drop-down to navigate to the Longform Book Writer. So the Longform Book Writer, what it does is it takes a large amount of text, whatever you want to put into it, and then it will go through that information and write a first draft of a book based on whatever information you put in. It can take up to 50,000 words you can put in here, and then in the output, it outputs by chapter. You have to choose the number of chapters you want in your final output. It is normally 5 chapters, but you can go up to 20 chapters. And then each chapter is usually up to 1,500 words. And so this is a transcript of a podcast that I was on. It's about 10,000 words. I'm just talking about like what I do for a living and my life and, you know, all the stuff that people don't pay attention to unless you're saying it on a podcast. Anyway, so I'll paste this information in here. It can take up to 50,000 words you can put in, but right now I'm putting in about 10,000 words from this interview. And then I will say Victor Varnado biography. That's the title, which does influence the book, but also which influences the book is when you put in your desired output. So in the desired output, I can say what type of book that I want to write with lots of drama. All right. And I click the box saying that I have the rights to what I'm putting in, and then I click on Create Book. Okay, so it is creating a book right now. While we're waiting for that one to finish, I'm going to show you how to upload to the Longform Writer. Here we can take documentation, which I'm working on for the Magic Bookifier. I'm just uploading it. I'm just going to take the .docx off the title. And here I'll just say textbook style writing. Okay. And let's say this one's going to be 7 chapters. You can pick how many chapters you want. The chapters are usually up to 1,500 words each. So if you do 20 chapters, that's 30,000 words that the book can be. It won't always be 30,000 words. It depends on the context. So chapters can be as short as usually 500 or 600 words and as long as 1,500 words. So let's just write a couple of chapters, write 7 chapters, and it is creating the book. Now you can see that the Magic Bookifier user documentation is writing, and Victor Varnado biography is also writing. Here, Victor Varnado Life as a Comedian is actually me doing the exact same thing earlier. And as you can see, it output a little booklet in this case, because I kept it pretty small, but it's about 6,000 words. Okay, so if we look here, now it has been about 30 minutes, and here you can see Victor Varnado biography. It is done and ready to go. And the whole idea is then you can take this text and then I can edit it because it has taken my basic story and put it in a first draft format. I think Magic Bookifier is at its strongest when it's used as a tool to organize your ideas into a first draft, and then you could take this and then write from there. It's like an assistant. It's not here to replace you. It's here hopefully to help you. And that's it, everybody. I encourage you to go check it out at magicbookifier.ai. You do get 10 free credits to start off, and you get 10 free credits every week. So you can actually just go to magicbookifier.ai and write a book right now.